Hello everyone! Today, I'll show you how to upload PDF on ChatGPT in just a few easy steps. If you're looking to insert PDF file to ChatGPT, you're in the right place. Before starting, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tutorials. Also, check the description box for helpful tools and apps. To upload a PDF to ChatGPT, first of all, open the ChatGPT app on your mobile device or on your computer. Once you are on the main screen, open the chat where you want to upload the file. At the bottom of the chat box, you will see different options. Find and tap on the gallery icon to open file options. A pop-up menu will appear. From the pop-up menu, choose Files. Now, browse your device storage and select the PDF file you want to upload. Once selected, the PDF will appear in the chat box. Tap Send to upload it to ChatGPT. ChatGPT will then process the file, and you can start asking questions or request summaries from the PDF content.